Hi glowies, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a Korean girl group inspired everyday glasses makeup look that's fresh, flattering, and totally wearable. Whether you're heading to class, work, or just want to feel like the main character, this look is all about soft colors, a touch of sparkle, and that chic idol vibe. Let's get started. Start off with toner pads to refresh your skin and give your makeup a smoother base. I'm wearing this great contact lens from Allens, the one with the deep limbal ring and a soft inner gray tone-ish. Next, we're going to use this setting spray. Then use a purple primer to brighten the skin and tone down nullness around the corners of the mouth. For dark circles, use a salmon-colored corrector. Starting off with a new cushion foundation. It gives a gorgeous glow and surprisingly good coverage. The center of the face gets a little extra brightening for a fresh, lifted effect. Once the base is in place, a setting spray locks everything in, followed by a touch of matte highlighter on targeted spots for subtle definition. For contour, the goal is a small, delicate nose shape. Start by contouring the sides of the nose and lightly shading the higher points near the inner corners of the eyes. Add a small shadow below the bottom lip. Then blend everything seamlessly with a soft brush. A liquid highlighter blush duo in baby pink adds that fresh, youthful pop. Applied right on the tops of the cheekbones while keeping the blush area cleaned. After blush, set to face with the pressed powder for a smooth finish. Shape the brows. Deepen them with a dark brown powder or eyeshadow. Straighten the brown shape if needed and use an eyebrow pan to elongate the tail. Finish by brushing through with a brown eyebrow gel for a soft, natural hold. For the eyes, go for a soft gray-pink smoky look. First, a pink base all over, then a gray-brown shade to deepen the outer corners. On the center of the lids, layer some shimmer and added a second layer of fine glitter for extra sparkle. For the 애교살, under eye puff, use a light pink to brighten. Then deepen the outer half of the lower lash line with gray-brown. For the tight line, I filled in with a dark brown close to the lash roots. Choose thin eyelashes. K-pop idols don't use thick lashes because the goal is to look natural. Then coat it with a mascara to even out and blend it with your natural lashes. Since the eyeliner wing is slightly lifted at the outer corners, I started lifting from about 3/4 of the way out. For lips, start up by lining the lips with a lip liner. Then layer two products, first a berry tone tint for the base, then topped it with a pink gloss for a juicy finish. And that's it for the K-pop idol makeup look. This makeup look is good for everyday wear, whether you're in school, work, or just wanted to look cute, polished, clean, then you must try it. If you guys enjoyed the video, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video.